Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Esplanade-Howrah Maidan section of the Kolkata Metro, including the country's first underwater transportation tunnel beneath the Hooghly River. Modi rode the metro, interacting with students along the way, showcasing India's engineering prowess. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee did not attend, but the leader of the opposition Suvendu Adhikari accompanied Modi. The 4.8-kilometer stretch cost Rs 4,960 crore, while the Taratala-Majherhat section of the Joka-Esplanade line cost Rs 520 crore. Additionally, the Kavi Subhash-Hemanta Mukhopadhyay section of the new Garia-Airport line, costing Rs 1,430 crore, was inaugurated. These new sections aim to alleviate road congestion and provide seamless connectivity. The East-West Metro corridor, which began construction in 2009, faced delays due to accidents and aquifer bursts, with commercial operations targeted for June-July.